Good morning, Lions. Today is Tuesday, September 20th, 2022. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. I know it's going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions, today's weather calls for cloudy or semi-cloudy skies and a high of 81. The green air quality flag is flying, which means the air is good for everyone. For lunch today, we will be having cheese nachos or breakfast for lunch, maple French toast sticks, and sausage. All right, birthdays. We have Damian Leanos turning 7 in Miss Walker's. Happy birthday. All right, Lions, yesterday's attendance, we had 34 absences and 36 tardies, 507 out of 542. That was 94%. Really close, Lions, but we need to get higher to 95. All right, classes with perfect attendance. Abad, Cedillo, Guzman, Lopez, Martinez, Walker, and Zoida. Don't forget, Lions, teachers, when you have hit your first 10 days of perfect attendance, please email myself, so I can put it on a shout out, Mrs. Bishram, because she has pencils and her certificate for you. If you can email us when you get that 10 days of perfect attendance so we can bring you your prize, we would appreciate it. All right, Lions. Now, announcements. Football and volleyball practice today after school. I believe it's tomorrow and Thursday as well. No practice next week at all because of parent conferences, and then we'll have practice the following week and our first game. All right, Lions. Also, an announcement that by Friday, September 23rd, speeches are due for all participants of student council. So if you're wanting to participate, I know lots of you filled out your paperwork, turn that in to Mrs. De La Mora. Make sure that you get your speeches to her by the 23rd. All right, Lions. Joke of the day. So, why did the kid go to the top of the school? Because he wanted to be in high school. That's a good one. All right, Lions. Remember also that we are still continuing to work on what it means to show respect, our first R. And students, for Lion of the Month, instead of Student of the Month, we're going to be calling it Lion of the Month. We are going to focus this month of September on respect. So when your teacher nominates you for Lion of the Month, they will be looking at how you show respect at school. Now, we talked about R yesterday, respond, when people are talking to you. Today we're going to talk about example. When we respect yourself, okay, by being the best you can be, you never know who's watching to make sure you are reflecting who you are. So remember, Lions, how you behave, sometimes people who are younger than you might be watching you, and your behavior is what they mimic. So when you show respect in the classroom by being in learning position, by not interrupting your teacher, by raising your hand if you have a question, on the playground, by not getting into people's faces, right? By being respectful when they say, stop, I don't like that, and walking away. You model to other people. You're an example to others on how to show respect. So remember, Lions, respect, right, is something that you can model. So how you act, you might have people who are younger than you or even in the same grade who follow what you do. All right, Lions, that is another way to show respect here at Lemoore Elementary. That is actually all I have for this terrific Tuesday, other than I want you all to stay focused, okay? I want you to remember that when you're answering questions from your teachers and they're calling non-volunteers, you need to stand and you need to answer in complete sentences. All right, Lions, we're going to be looking for stand and deliver and complete sentences as we're walking through classrooms because we need to be able to hear you. We also need to, when we're sharing with our partner, we need to give them our attention, eye contact, we need to listen. All right? That's 2 of the 4 L's, and we'll be talking a lot more about the 4 L's of pair share. All right, Lions, have a terrific Tuesday. Remember, we are one school and we have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice, and I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it's now time for the flag salute.